Today we are going to learn about approximation and estimation. This is a chapter 3 of book D1. So there are only two topics. One is rounding off and second is significant figure. We talk about significant figure today, and when we round the figure up to given significant figure, we need rounding off. So we know 0 to 4 digit remain same and 5 to 9 we add 1. Just like question number 1, part 1, 397. Say to round it up to two significant figure. First you 1 and 2. As you know, we live in a decimal system. 0 to 9. 1 to 9 digits are significant and 0 only significance change according to the 0. So there are three type of things which we consider during the 0. Leading 0, trapped 0 and trailing 0. So first we underline the target digit and we round it. It is 7 and this is lie in this category, and we do it 0 and added 1 4 here. So our digit is 400 when we round it to significant figure. Second is 503.88, 4 significant figure. So first we count. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant digits we have, and between them 0 is also trapped. So 5 significant figure we have, and we round it 1, 2, 3, 4. It means this is our target number. This is our target number, and we round it. We add 1 here and skip here. So 503.9 is our 4 significant figure. And after this we never write here 0, because after decimal 0 is significant. We close our figure here 503.9. There are 4 significant figure. Number 3 is 0.0030185. This is also 4SF. So these zeros are leading 0. They are non-significant. Our first significant figure is 1, 2, 3, 4. But between the two digits, trapped 0 are also significant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is our target number. This is 5. So we add 1 here. Very right number. But these are non-significant, but we write them in answer. Remember this, we write them in answer to show the 4 significant figure. Here are now only 4 significant figure, 1, 2, 3, 4. But before this all zeros are non-significant, but we write them in our question. And number 4 is 6396 2SF. Our target digit is this, so this will be 6, 4 and other are zeros. We write these zeros here because after trailing 0, these are ending 0. Ending 0 are called the trailing 0. Trailing zeros are always non-significant. So we write them. If I write 2 significant answer 64, this is wrong, because our question is in ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Our answer should be in now in thousands, but in our answer we have only 2 significant figures. So these are 2 significant figures. If I write this digit in three significant figures, same digit. If I write this same digit in 3SF, so our target number is now 6396. This one we add 0 here, this will be 10, and 10 give the 1 here. 6400 again our 3SF significant figure answer. So in this way we do the significance. And one more question, number 5 is 0.004798, and we round it 4SF. First significant figure is this 1, 2, 3, 4. We underline the target number and round it. Before telling the significance, we round the digit. So our answer is 0.0047. It will be 1 more 10. So 1 is here. This is your 4 significant figure, because this 0 after decimal is significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 significant figure answer is this. Okay, thank you.